how to fix contacts not showing in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So there might be two reasons WhatsApp might not be showing your contacts. I'll show you how to fix it. Let's dive right in. First, go to settings, and on the search bar at the bottom, you will need to search for WhatsApp. Tap on it and then go to contacts. And if it is set to none or limited access, this might be the reason. So make sure that you give full access to contacts on your WhatsApp. And after you've done that, come back and then head over to screen time. Tap on it, go to content and privacy restrictions, and toggle it off completely. Or you can just go to contact section that's under privacy and allow like changes to it. So this will help you fix contacts not showing up on WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.